In the main menu, tap the tool icon to access a list of available tools: Calendar, Stopwatch, Alarm Clock, Calculator. Calendar displays the Gregorian calendar, only supports viewing, does not support manual modification or setting. Click the R icon to switch between previous and next months. Return, touch the icon. Stopwatch can record sunsets of stopwatch data. Tap the icon to start pause the countdown. Tap the icon to switch between E, R, or sun timers. Tap the icon to reset the stopwatch. Return, touch the icon. Alarm clock, alarm on off, alarm time, alarm cycle, alarm music, alarm volume. Alarm on off, enable, disable the alarm. Alarm time, swipe or tap to select the time reminder. Be sure to tap OK to confirm the setting. Alarm cycle, set the alarm frequency once daily workday. Alarm music, choose between built-in ringtones or music from the SD card. Alarm volume, adjust the volume of the alarm sound only. This setting does not affect the device's general system volume. Reminder, if you don't need the alarm, please remember to turn it off. Calculator, perform basic calculations 加、乘以、除以。Return, touch the icon.